Hello, I'm Peter Von Eason from Kootenay Extreme Hunting Adventures. Today we're going to talk about prepping ground blinds. Today we're going to give you some tips on how to increase the odds of harvesting your animal this fall time. If you haven't joined us before, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. You won't miss any videos that we put out in the future. Thanks for watching. You can see my trail cameras here. This is a spot that I found and I'm actually pretty happy with what I'm seeing. That tree right there, I'm actually going to limb off just a tiny bit and get a portable tree stand that we can climb up in there. But down in this mess right here, there's a whole bunch of branches and stuff. I'm going to utilize all of that, and I'm going to make a low ground blind in case you bring the kids out, and then we can hide in there. You can see my portable tree stand over there where I was standing earlier looking this way. So all I've done is I've taken a bunch of the ground cover that was here, all the broken branches, and just taken off a few broken branches off a couple of the trees that were already dead. And I just started laying a base just around here. I'll do this nice and slowly over the next month and a half. And closer to hunting season, a couple weeks out, I'll take a few green branches from around the area. It might be in some of my shooting lanes. And I'll just kind of weave them in and out of here. I don't want anything too big. I don't want the animals to notice this blind when it's coming through. I like them to blend in as much as possible. You'll notice that the blinds are getting thicker as the weeks go on. We've been coming up here a little bit here and there and adding some branches. We've had some animals going through them, which is great. It just means that they don't even notice what's going on. And come hunting season, they'll be ready to go. So as you can see here, this is the remaining of last year's ground blind that I made. I don't make high ones when I'm out in the open here. I'll be making sure to go and cut some more shooting lanes and use those green branches and tuck them in and weave them in with these old ones here. When building a ground blind, it's not necessarily how high and what you put in front all the time, it's also what you have in behind you. As you can see here, there's lots of bushes and branches from other trees, and when animals are looking at you from far away, they're not just seeing your front coverage. The animals are also seeing the stuff in the back, and as long as you remain still, you should be good. Some of you may say that the blinds are pretty thick by the looks of it by the time hunting season comes around, but they're actually not that bad. When you're inside, you can see out of them really well. This is from inside the ground blind here, and as you can see, this is my view as I'm laying down in it. I'm actually protected pretty good here. Like I say, I've got lots of coverage in behind me. I'll show you a shot from down below there, looking back up this way. Utilize as much as the outlying foliage as I can and just leave myself a few shooting lanes.